Alright, so here we are at the next one. You can see the name of it right there, St. John the Baptist Catholic Church. Got that sign right there. And then look, as we just pan up from here, there you go. So let's step out. There, now you're getting a view of the whole thing. There, you definitely should have a view of the whole thing. See, there's a house back there as well. The door is actually open. So we're going to walk up here, go into it, and take a look around. And just in case you don't know, there's another sign right there. It says St. John the Baptist Catholic Church, Ammonnsville, Texas, 1890. Yeah, see, this one's open. Here's the side. Then this side, so you can see that. Little decoration up there. Then we'll walk in. Yeah, this is one where they don't want you going up to the second floor. You can see this back here. And they don't want you walking in the altar. See, now over here, that's the steps. That one of the rules is they don't want you going upstairs, so we will absolutely abide by that. You can see all the stained glass, and look at the ceiling. It's a little bit dark in here, but hopefully this stuff's coming through, because this is part of the whole painted church theme. And let's see if we can get all of this. Yeah, that should give those words and everything. Delicae mea esse cum filis hominum. Proverbs 8. I don't know what that means, but I don't speak Latin. But they've got it decorated up extremely fancy. And like I said, they don't want you up on that altar, so I will not go. But just to show you, all that stuff over here. And boy, sun shining bright, so bright through there, that just looks like a hot mess. Let me see if I can show you these on this side. They're still pretty light, but they look better. And this is what that second floor looks like from down here. And again, the ceiling, you can see that, just regular pews on either side. Pretty fancy, huh? Get you a little bit more of the outside of it, and then I'm going to see if I can't fly this one as well, and go from there. Alright, let's look around. Got a little cemetery over there, and there's a pond. And that's a house back there. Short trees in the sun. Let's look around this side and see if there's anything. Got some little pinkish looking flowers growing here, which is nice. Here's some stained glass from the outside, so you can see that. Back here's a little area. And some more flowers. So wow, here it is, January the 9th. January the 9th, and there are flowers here. Alright, let's look at the next thing.